Gyproc AquaBead is a revolutionary new corner bead that is easier to cut and apply than other corner beads, and it is only available from British Gypsum. Just spray the Gyproc AquaBead with water to activate the adhesive to allow the corner bead to be fixed in place as demonstrated here. It's that easy to get a fast and durable perfect 90-degree corner with no mess or the need to mix joint material for the first stage. The joint materials which can be used are Gyproc EasyFill or EasyFill 45 for bulk filling and finishing, or Gyproc Joint Filler for bulk filling, and then powder or ready-mixed Gyproc joint materials for the finishing stage. To install Gyproc AquaBead, you will need the following tools and equipment: continuous flow water pump water spray equipment, light duty snips, tape measure, range of taping knives for bulk filling or finishing. For tradespeople who have the skills in using a hawk and trowel, they can also be used. Hand and pole sanders, which are used to lightly sand the external corners before decorating. Dust mask. Preparing your surface is an important step, as the water-activated adhesive on the Gyproc AquaBead corner bonds best with the plasterboard surface when it is free from dust. Also ensure that the plasterboard is cut back cleanly at the corner edges so that the Gyproc AquaBead fits squarely onto the corner. Brush or wipe away any excess dust from the plasterboard before beginning your installation. Gyproc AquaBead is easy to cut. When cut, it gives a clean edge with no bending or straightening required. There are also no sharp edges, reducing the chance for nicks and cuts, as can be the case with metal angle beads. You can use snips to trim the bead or even a saw to cut multiple pieces of Gyproc AquaBead to the same length. Gyproc AquaBead reduces the chances of cuts and is lightweight for easy handling. When you are ready to spray your Gyproc AquaBead corner, make sure to use clean, ordinary tap water. Dirty water can affect the activation of the adhesion. To spray your corner, use a handheld spray pump. This will ensure you get an even, consistent coverage over the Gyproc AquaBead and spray from top to bottom. Make sure you spray evenly from end to end. Missing the corners could cause them to blister where they are installed due to dry parts of the bead. Do not wipe the corner with a sponge or cloth, as it can wipe away the adhesive. After being sprayed with water, Gyproc AquaBead's adhesive activates in 15 to 60 seconds and is ready for installation. You can determine if it is ready for application by pressing your finger on the adhesive, which should be sticky to the touch. If you find the bead has dried out before applying it to the wall, simply spray again and wait for the adhesive to reactivate. After you have sprayed the corner and allowed the adhesive to activate, simply press your corner on the wall. You can do this by hand, or use a roller to firmly adhere the corner to the wall. Make sure you apply even pressure as you move it along the corner. You will find a roller convenient if you are doing a lot of corners, but it is not necessary for correct installation. If working by hand, press firmly against the corner as evenly as possible, so that the corner edges lie flat against the boards. Use the bead to determine if it is straight. When creating a mitered corner, simply undercut the angles to ensure they don't meet, and allow space to ensure the arms don't touch. Once Gyproc AquaBead has been installed, you only have to wait 30 minutes before applying coats of your chosen Gyproc joint material. We will be demonstrating Gyproc EasyFill 2-stage filler and finishing product all in one. This can contribute a significant time saving to the overall project, as you can go straight to your first stage filling coat. Once the first coat is set, give the corner a light sand, then apply a further coat of Gyproc joint material. Once dry, sand to a fine finish, removing any imperfections. 30 minutes after fitting Gyproc AquaBead to a bulkhead, a coat of your chosen Gyproc filler or ready-mixed joint cement is applied and feathered out on the external corner. This is allowed to dry or set, depending on the product used. Once the first coat is set, give the corner a light sand, then apply a further coat of Gyproc filler or ready-mixed joint cement. Once dry, sand to a fine finish, removing any imperfections. The profile taper of the Gyproc AquaBead allows for thinner fill coats, which gives shorter drying time between coats, saving you time and money. Gyproc AquaBead is the fast, easy alternative to metal bead and corner tape. Gyproc AquaBead corners quickly produce straight, durable corners that will not dent, crack, blow or split. For more information, visit the British Gypsum website.